Hey everybody, this is Sully, and this is a little bit different from my normal video. I'm in the middle of editing one actually, and I was contacted by Banggood to say, hey, we got some new coupons for you, if you could reach out and let people know. So that's what I'm doing. I'm leaving this whole spreadsheet down below in the comments, and coupon codes right here. So if you want the discount, here's the discount amount, and they expire 8/15, 8/20, 8/10, all the way down. Some of these are only for USA, so make sure you check that. But I did see some in here that I'm actually going to take some advantage of, and let's just start at the top. So Eachine E12, if you want a small brushed quadcopter, this one's very good. Comes with 3 batteries, $19, and on sale you get 40% off. Holy cow. That's actually really good. Okay, so that one's probably going. This one, the Wi-Fi FPV, not something I normally recommend, I'll be honest, but I've heard good things about it. It's just not something I normally recommend. It is kicking in at 15% off. I'd probably pass on that one, to be honest. This one, a much better quality, I will say. It has a gimbal of 1080 and 153. It's also brushless motors and has its own little FPV system. That's a little bit easier. So if you're looking for something, you're not quite wanting to go that DJI route, this one, very, very good. And it does have a follow me mode switch. So this one's pretty cool. And it is $109.99. Holy cow, that's actually really good. Wait, is that Vizio? I'm sorry, it's 15% off. So, no, that's the SNU iOS. Yeah, sorry, back to it. That is the good one. So at 110, that's actually really good. I do like that one. I'm going to, yeah, this one I would pass. This one, at 1080 HD with a follow me mode. If you want one of those selfie cameras, selfie drones, this one would be very good. Eachine, this is a fold out, high hold. It will hold itself altitude wise, and I've heard good things about it. Probably not my style, honestly, but like you say, it does run off your phone and Wi-Fi. But $28.99 and knocked down to $20. That's actually a good sale if you're looking for something like that. Backpack, I know some of y'all can use this because I know I can use this one. Definitely something to shove all your quad parts in. So yeah, it does have foam removable. It's DJI Phantom 4, but you can customize it how you want. And again, oh, that one's actually not a bad price either. Is that right? $9.99. Can't be right. Okay, well that was a really good coupon. Holy cow. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Grid backpack. Is that the right one? Let's check and see. Try this again. Yep. So $9.99. That's a really good deal. Holy cow. I hope that's right. Or 19. Nope. $9.99. Price that. Okay, cool. This is the one that I am most excited about. So this one, whopping in at 50 bucks. Y'all get on me because my soldering sucks. So I am definitely going to be popping one of these. Actually, I'm at that one right now. Let's see. Continue. Yep. And for you fat shark people, True D Diversity. Kicking that one in at 20% off. Oh, that's good. Shoot. Dang, that's really good. Okay, alright. Cool. I have this on the way because it 4 millisecond low latency. I love Foxeer cameras, and this one's on the way, but that is for a whopping 15% off. So we're looking at about 33 bucks, 32 bucks plus shipping. Not too bad, not too bad. Air APP at 2-axis gimbal. This one, oh, nice. Okay, this one's very nice. If you wanted to step up from this one, if you're doing that type of aerial type of photography drone and you want something good, this is a step up. Has a good gimbal. Oh wow, Okay, 2.7. It's got a good camera and a good gimbal. I would look up reviews on this one. But coupon, again, coupon pretty good. 219. Not too bad, not too bad. Like I say, I'm just running through these because I wanted to see. I was asked to, and I wanted to see if there was anything good. Oh, shoot. Okay, now this. Oh, dang. All right. This one? Yeah, I would take this. Everyone keeps looking for a better ESC. Dang, that was nice. Okay, if you want a 100 amp ESC, holy cow. 3 to 8S, 100 amp ESC. I have no doubt some of you can use it. Oh my god. 100 amp D-Shot 1200 32-bit ESC. Holy cow. Alright. That one's pricey, but what's our coupon looking like? Cause I know some of y'all are building some. Oh, 60 bucks. Heck, that's what an ESC used to cost, period. So I can't really complain about the price on that one, other than if you're using a 100 amp 4-in-1 ESC, dang, 3.8S, 110 amp peak, dang, 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 dang. Okay, that one's good. I like that. This is what I'm excited about. This is currently my favorite quad. As far as it takes for doing HD. I love the Eachine Diatone TBS version as well, but this one's $199, does HD video. I have a good review on it, or I don't know if my review's good, but this is the other one I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm talking about this one. It's really good. I love this thing, and it's on sale for $169.99. So that is what, 30 bucks off. If you were looking for a very good quad, this is by far my favorite one. Comes with that Cadix Turtle, 25 amp ESCs, the HD Mark II, and yeah, it is phenomenal to fly. Yeah, phenomenal. Holy cow! I didn't know that was on sale again. Dang. See, the price went up for like a day. This, oh my god, whoa. Oh, this is the new one, the 400 watt. I have the 300 watt version of this, and it is fantastic. I paid $40 for a 300 watt version. This one comes with a power. Oh, I see. I'm wrong. So I have this version, and I love this thing. When you look at the screen on it, I actually have a video I'm trying to put out right now. This output setting, you can make an adapter that plugs in right there to output, and you can actually power up your quads. That makes things like what's it called? Things like what's the word I'm looking for? Binding your receivers so much easier, because you just push this little OK button with the output set, and you can power your quad, and you don't have to do that magic 20 hand things. Now, I paid $40 for mine, but mine didn't come with a power supply. So if you don't want to hijack your own CPU power supply, which is what I did, this one comes with one, and that is a 400 watt is worth the extra 20 bucks. Now, all of that comes in at 50 bucks, so you're actually only paying $10 for the 400 watt power supply. That's actually really good. I can't complain about that. That's really good. I will say this thing, it's phenomenal. You do want to update the firmware on it, so if it doesn't come with the latest firmware, that takes a second. You just use the included male-to-male USB cable. It includes one, and go to the website, download firmware, and you just pop it right on, and it becomes the best charger, bar none. Can't say enough good things about it. I love it. It goes up to 15 amps, so that charges all my 4S batteries without a problem, actually, at least one, and way up. I could actually charge it 3S for how many batteries I have, so I don't have that many 4Ss, so anyway, it'll charge 8 1500s without even breaking a sweat. goes up to 300 watts. So yeah, that one, holy cow. All right, yeah, that one's a good one. DJI Osmo Pocket. This just came out. Reviews on it are absolutely outstanding. I gotta give credit for those. 15% off is your coupon there, so that one's not bad. I like it. There have been many people doing actually cinematic types, and they're using these as their vlogging camera, so it's very good. Ooh, this is another I want. So whenever I finally retire my Leader 120, I'm probably going with this one. 4S Turbo B. And at 145, you get 20% off. So about 120, if I'm doing my math right. Yeah, about 120. That's a good price. So yeah, my Leader 120, I would replace with this one. These are the workhorses of your micro 2-inch or 3-inch, 2 to 3-inch, 2 to 2.5 inch actually, but whatever. 3S and let's see, 4S, 3, 4, or even 2S and 2 or 3S. You could go 4S, I think, 24,000 per volt. That wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, this one, these are workhorses, and at $12.99. Holy cow! Oh, dang! All right, did I open the right one? 1108 2S brushless, 50% off. I gotta make sure this is the right one. Yes. 1108 2S brushless. Okay, it's 2S. So I didn't read it correctly. These are amazing. Okay. These are probably what I'm going to end up replacing on my Leader 120 then. I wonder why they're 2S. I don't know. But for some of your lighter builds out there, 2S 1108, that's a very strong motor, so I don't know. I can't really complain with that one. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I would get, for 2S, I get 6,000 kV, but it's going to be some power on your battery there. And once again, last one is this Racer Star Airby 2514 for some of you monster builders out there. You freaking like monsters. It says 3 to 8 inch props, but there is no way I would be swinging anything less than 8 inches with this thing. Maybe 10, no, 8 inch, yeah. Racer Star gets a bad rap. I fully understand that, except that they have stepped up their game so freaking much lately. An 8S 5-inch, that is hilarious. But they have truly stepped up their game, and it's phenomenal what I've seen from them. I actually have one of their high-ends coming. So these kick in, I believe, at $21 normally. If it'll load, of course not. Oh, now they're at $18. So it's an $18 8S capable motor that takes about 45 amps and weighs a good bit. So if you need this, if you have a specialty for it, heavy load efficiency for long range, blah blah blah, this would be the one. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up. Like I said, I was just putting this together. They asked me to at Banggood, and I was wanting to see if there was anything worthwhile. And when I saw this mini Ts100, that's definitely going in there. This, if it's $9.99, that's a great price. So these two are going in. Foxeer Predator, I have on the way already, so I'm kind of a little annoyed with that, but whatever. And this for 170, the HD version for 170 is just freaking, I mean, it's cheaper than your 2-inch version. That's cheaper than, that's only $30. So you'd be getting you'd be getting the regular Diatone, and then for $30 extra, you're getting HD. So that's pretty good. That's pretty dang good. And this charger, if you have ever needed a charger, this one, I've already got it. I got it the day Bardwell put out the video on it. I didn't like it at first, so I didn't do a review. I wasn't sure, but then they updated the firmware. Very important to update your firmware. And this one is phenomenal. I've never had it fail after that. So it was a very simple firmware update. This is a little out of what I normally spend, but if you're looking for a good 3-axis gimbal camera, reviews on it are phenomenal. So I mean, as much as, you know, the FPV community is not too fond of DJI, they do make some good stuff, so I can't. And this one about 100, yeah, about 110 bucks, 120 bucks, really good. I might pass on these. These, I don't use anything 4 to 8S, so no. That's the bag, that's the motors again, yeah. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to wrap this up, 15 minutes. Thank you so much for the virtual shopping trip, and we will catch you next time. I do have a review.